everyone, it's Denise. So today's video we are going to be on a glass bottom boat in Cabo. Now, we did this back in 2020, so the audio is really bad. I apologize. I was only using an action camera and I didn't have microphones or anything like that back then, so I apologize about the audio in advance. But through our resort, it was $20 per person and about a 45-minute ride. So booking it through a cruise. What I found today, I went online to Carnival. They do not offer a glass bottom boat tour, but if you are one of those people, and I totally get it, that only book through your cruise line, they do offer an arch tour and a snorkeling catamaran tour. So if those are something you want, that is definitely an option. Again, it's not a glass bottom boat, but you at least can get a tour of the beaches and also the arch. Now, if you're like us, we are looking to do another Mexican cruise, hopefully towards the end of the year. We are also looking into doing another glass bottom boat excursion. So once you get off of the tender, you will go to any of those stands. They all sell the glass bottom boats for about $15 per person, and it is a 45-minute round trip tour. You can also set it up with your captain to have him pick you up at a specific time. Now, we are going to go on to the beach this time. Last time we weren't able to. I don't think they offered it, and two, if they did, my pants ripped in the back, so I wouldn't have got off anyways. But this next time we do go to Cabo, we are going to take that excursion or book that trip on the marina and have them drop us off. My only recommendation would be have them pick you up about an hour sooner than what you would originally want to be heading back. So for instance, if you wanted to head back at noon, I would tell them to be there about 10:30 or 11, just to give you that window of time to make sure you're back to the pier at the time you originally would like to, so you can catch your tender back. Again, that all depends on what time frames you're there, how long you're there for the day. But typically my husband and I get up early, we go out to do whatever excursion or roaming we're going to do, and then we head back earlier. So I would definitely recommend doing a glass bottom boat tour, absolutely. Now, if you stay tuned for the end of this video, I'll have a couple additional tips. And if you find this video enjoyable or helpful, please make sure you hit that like button. It really does help our channel out. Also, make sure you subscribe if you have not already. And lastly, if you would please comment down below, have you done a glass bottom boat? Have you done the clear boat, which is the full boat of being clear? That's another one we're looking into. So if you've done that, please give us your comments down below. Let us know how your experience was, and we'll go ahead and get right into it. Okay, as we make our way up to the arch, the first thing you'll notice is that dark spot that looks like seaweed. It's actually sardine-like fish that I'm going to show you also right now. So as you look through the glass bottom of that boat, you will see all of those fish right there. And as you have figured out, we are coming up to Pelican Beach. Now, our guide did say this is the calmer of the two beaches. So if you want to get in and out of the boat, this would be a great spot. Also, this is the best spot for snorkeling.
This is a one place in the world where you can walk one sea, one ocean. This side is Rio Cortez, other side is a Pacific Ocean.
I should have had my phone out too, huh?
Right.
Yeah.
Hey everyone. So, fun fact, that single rock right there by itself is actually called Land's End. That is where the land ends, and the Pacific Ocean on the left side meets the Sea of Cortez on the right side. I just wanted to share that fun fact. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching. As I mentioned earlier, I do have a couple tips for the glass bottom boat experience. One, make sure you have some small bills. They do charge $1 per person to get on the dock. So even to get to your boat, there's like a dock hand at this gate. He will collect $1 for everybody in your party, everybody going through the dock period. And if you wanted to tip your captain, you want to have some smaller bills. As far as the arch, if you're not looking to spend any money, I definitely get budget-friendly cruising or budget-friendly traveling. Where at least Carnival, that's who I can speak on, that's what we were on, where they park, you absolutely get an entire view of the full arch. Now, you won't get all of the highlights as much, but you will get a great picture of the arch. So again, another little hidden tip, if you don't want to spend the extra money, or if you can't spend the extra money for any kind of an excursion, just go to one of those higher decks. I think it's deck 11, 10 or 11. You can get some really, really great panoramic photos. Well, folks, as always, thank you so much for watching our video. Again, please make sure you like this video. It really does help our channel. And comment down below if there's anything we missed, or please share your experiences with all of us. Well, thank you and have a great day. Alrighty, folks, thank you so much for watching this video. As I mentioned, the audio, I am so sorry about the audio. The audio was so bad. The audio was bad, so thanks for hanging in. I can't put that on there, but the audio was pretty bad.